Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Discord for beginners. First, download the Discord application to your computer or mobile device, or simply access it through your web browser. Next, you will create your account by choosing a unique username, entering your email, and setting a secure password. Remember to verify your email address to unlock all of Discord's features and ensure your account is fully active. This initial setup is quick and easy, getting you ready to connect. Once you're set up, it's time to explore servers. You can join a server using an invite link shared by friends or discover new communities through Discord's public server directory. Inside each server, you'll find various channels. Text channels are for written conversations, while voice channels allow you to speak with others in real time. Understanding this structure helps you navigate and participate effectively in different discussions. Communication is key on Discord. In text channels, you can send messages, express yourself with a wide range of emojis, and even share files. To manage your experience, adjust notification settings for individual channels or entire servers, ensuring you only get alerts for what matters most. Don't forget to personalize your profile with a cool avatar and a custom status to show off your personality. To elevate your Discord experience, consider exploring bots. These automated tools can perform various tasks, from playing music to moderating content, significantly enhancing your server's functionality. Understanding roles and permissions is also crucial for server owners, allowing you to manage who can do what and maintain a healthy community. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, please see the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to bring smart features into your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.